Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Abus 8045 padlock. I got it brand new in the backs. It was brand new in the box. It was zero bitted. Had all standard pins in it, ready for it to be keyed up and used. So I keyed it up and put security pins in it. So we'll be taking a look at that one here in just a minute. But first I need to talk about giveaways, since this is the Wednesday giveaway video. At the end of this video, we'll be talking about who the winner of this week's giveaway is. We'll be drawing that towards the end of the video. And it is this red pinning tray with this black 3D printed hook and a universal kick holder. And, well, guys, to be able to enter to win for next week, you still have to comment on this video. But it's been plussed up just a little bit. Bobby Keys has added a few things for me to be giving away to you guys. He's printed up this follower, these front loaders, and a pinning shoe for Euro locks. So these two are really good for Euro locks, and this follower has the groove, so it works perfectly with the pinning shoe. And you get a pretty nice little, if I can get it to focus, pretty nice little gym style hook there. So should be pretty fun. So in order to win, leave a comment in this video for next week's giveaway. You got to enter it to win it, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this Abus padlock. Okay, so it came with two keys that were uncut. So I just put them in my drawer and pulled out one of my pre-cuts, pinned it up to the pre-cut, and it works fantastically. It's key retaining. And for a German lock, I was actually kind of surprised when I got it, but it does say made in Taiwan there at the bottom of it. So I was like, even on the box too. So I don't know how good the tolerances inside this lock are going to be, but we'll see when we start picking. Generally, when I see made in Taiwan, I'm not as worried as I am when I see something that says made in China. But still. There we go. Get that situated. Okay, and this is a Schlage style keyway, but if you guys can tell, that is definitely not a standard Schlage keyway. It does take a regular Schlage key though. So if I can get this thing in the vise nice and tight where it don't want to flop around on me, that'd be good. There we go. So I think with that being like that, I can reach from the bottom of the keyway with a standard thickness hook. So let's see. I haven't tried picking this since I've pinned it up, so this is the first pick on this. Nothing on one, nothing on two, 2 clicks out of 3, a little click out of 4, nothing on 5, and nothing on 6. It's back to 1. Okay, got a few clicks out of 1. I'm in a false set. Counter rotation on 2. Nothing on 3 or 4. Got counter rotation on 5. It definitely dropped something down. Trying to bounce the tensioner there and wound up dropping the darn thing. So basically starting over. Okay. Back to 1, nothing. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3 or 4. Counter rotation on 5. I'll rotate that back manually. Nice and slow. And I still think I overdid it, but we'll see. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Yep, definitely overset it when I did that. Okay, got a nice false set off of 1. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. Back to 5. Be very careful with it. I think I went and overset it again. But there we go. I don't know what in the hell I just did there, but dropped some overset pins back down, that's for sure. But there we go. Pretty fun little pick with security pins in it. And they're just, your standard lab pins. Or, well, standard lab security pins. So let's go ahead and take this out and gut it. Okay, this one has a detent that I need to push down. So let me grab a little Phillips or flathead screwdriver. Push that detent. This is kind of tricky because you have to be pushing down on the core at the same time that you're pushing down on the detent. There. This is going to be a little bit of a trick here, because I'm doing this for the camera. I can't see you down in there and see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, I could put some downward force in it that way. And I turned it ever so slightly. So let's try to get this with the key in it. It might be a little bit easier. And there pops the shackle, which means I got it loose. All right, so interesting core design on this one. I've seen it one time before, a very similar type thing. It was on a Lockwood. There's this little pin right there at the back that stops your rotation. It's actually not like your standard Davis where you push it in and it's spring-loaded. This one you actually have to grab and pull out, and it's basically just a standard key pin stuck in there. All right, so let me lock this back up. Spin this ring around just a little bit and pop that loose. Go ahead and grab the key again. Turn it just a little bit. And I shouldn't need a shim here. Okay. There's all our key pins in and working. Just all standard key pins. wheels turned around. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with the top pins. We've got a serrated in 1, got a spool in 2, if I can get a hold of it here, I got a serrated in 3, okay, got a serrated in 4 as well. Weak springs in this one. This one doesn't have very strong springs, so I might wind up changing those out before I put it back together as well. And there's our pin for 6. Let's go ahead and show you the pins. Sounds like Ruby's having fun in the house. Alright, so you can see that I've got a serrated, a spool, 2 serrateds, and 2 more spools. And that's this lock, this Abus 8045 re-keyable padlock with a Schlagish style keyway. But pretty fun lock. So if you guys give me just a moment, and we'll be over to the computer, and we'll be able to draw a winner for the week 2 giveaway. Okay, I've got the camera set up and filming. I've got the URLs of the video over here. I've had 25 unique commenters, so a few less on this one. So, not a big deal. I just like to give stuff away. Anywho, let's go ahead and click start and find who our winner is. Tuna Fish was our official week 1 winner. And our official week 2 winner is William Mansell. Not too bad for a master lock. Yep, it wasn't too bad for a master lock in that video. Yep, Pro Series aren't bad locks. Congrats to the winner and great stuff. So he was congratulating, actually, Southampton Lockpicking Club, who declined. So I had to redraw it on Saturday, and it became Tuna Fish. But William Mansell, congratulations. You are the winner of the Week 2 giveaway. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, if you see a lock out there in the wild and it's not yours and you don't have permission to open it, just leave it alone.